Covare ALM Online Training. What is OpenText Accurif and how does it support software development? Covare ALM, an overview. Covare ALM, Application Lifecycle Management, is a comprehensive, end-to-end ALM platform that integrates different phases of the software development lifecycle, SDLC. It provides a centralized and collaborative environment for managing requirements, test cases, development, defects, and deployment. How Covare ALM enhances ALM processes. End-to-end traceability. Provides a single platform to track requirements, development, testing, and deployment. Offers real-time impact analysis and change management. Seamless integration. Integrates with third-party tools like Jira, GitHub, Jenkins, Selenium, and more through Covare's Omnibus integration platform. Supports DevOps and CI/CD pipelines by automating workflows across different toolchains. Workflow automation. Uses a visual workflow engine to streamline processes like approvals, reviews, and issue tracking. Reduces manual efforts and improves efficiency. Agile and DevOps support. Supports agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, ensuring better collaboration among teams. Enables faster releases and continuous integration deployment, CI/CD. Robust test management. Manages test cases, test execution, and defect tracking in an integrated manner. Supports automation testing tools for efficient validation. Collaboration and reporting. Provides dashboards and analytics for real-time insights into project progress. Enhances communication between stakeholders through collaborative features. Security and compliance. Ensures regulatory compliance with built-in audit trails and access control mechanisms. Helps organizations meet industry standards like ISO, CMMI, and ITIL. How to set up and configure Covare ALM for optimal performance. Setting up and configuring Covare ALM for optimal performance involves several key steps, including installation, configuration, and performance tuning. Here's a detailed guide. 1. Installation and initial setup. A. System requirements. Ensure your system meets the following. Hardware, multi-core CPU, minimum 16 GB RAM, SSD storage for fast access. Software, Windows Server, SQL Server for database storage and IIS for web application hosting. B. Installation process. Install Covare ALM Server. Run the Covare ALM installer and follow the wizard. Choose the appropriate database settings, SQL Server recommended. Configure IIS settings and ports. Database configuration. Create a new database for Covare ALM. Ensure optimized indexing and scheduled backups. User authentication setup. Integrate with LDAP Active Directory for single sign-on, SSO. Configure role-based access control, RBAC. 2. Configuration for optimal performance. A. Workflow optimization. Design streamlined workflows for requirements, test cases, and defect tracking. Avoid complex, multi-step workflows unless necessary. Use Covare's automation engine to trigger actions based on predefined rules. B. Integration with DevOps tools. Use Coware Omnibus to integrate with Jira, Jenkins, Git, and other tools. Enable real-time data synchronization to avoid bottlenecks. C. Performance tuning. Enable database indexing for faster queries. Optimize API calls and limit unnecessary data retrieval. Use caching mechanisms to store frequently accessed data. Set up log rotation and limit excessive logging. D. Scalability considerations. Deploy Coware ALM on a scalable cloud environment, AWS Azure. Use load balancers if multiple teams are accessing the system. What are the key features and benefits of Coware ALM? Coware ALM, Application Lifecycle Management, is a comprehensive, integrated solution that helps organizations manage the entire software development lifecycle, SDLC. It provides a centralized platform for collaboration, traceability, and automation across different phases of software development. Key features of Coware ALM. End-to-end lifecycle management. Manages requirements, development, testing, release, and deployment in a single platform. Seamless integration with DevOps and Agile tools. Supports integration with various DevOps, CI/CD, and Agile tools like Jenkins, Jira, Git, and Azure DevOps. Centralized repository for collaboration. Provides a unified platform for cross-team collaboration with role-based access control. AI-driven analytics and reporting. Advanced analytics with AI-driven insights for better decision-making. Custom dashboards and real-time reporting capabilities. Automated workflows and process management. No-code visual workflow designer to automate approvals, task assignments, and process execution. Full traceability and compliance. Maintains complete traceability from requirements to test cases and defects. Helps in meeting regulatory and compliance standards like ISO, CMMI, and FDA. Integrated test management. Offers built-in test case management, defect tracking, and test automation integration. Scalability and cloud deployment. Available as both on-premise and cloud-based solutions for scalability. Collaboration and version control. Manages versioning of requirements, test cases, and development artifacts. Real-time monitoring and notifications. Provides live updates, notifications, and alerts for team members. Key benefits of Coware ALM. Increased productivity, automates processes and integrates tools to reduce manual efforts. Improved quality ensures better software quality through rigorous test management and traceability. Faster time to market streamlines SDLC phases for quick and efficient releases. Cost reduction minimizes rework and enhances resource utilization. Better compliance and governance supports regulatory compliance and audit readiness. Enhanced collaboration facilitates better communication among development, QA, and operations teams. How to manage requirements and traceability in Coware ALM. Managing requirements and traceability in Coware ALM involves a structured approach using its built-in requirement management and traceability features. Below are the key steps. 1. Define and capture requirements. Use requirement management module to create, categorize, and define requirements. Assign attributes such as priority, status, owner, and category. Import requirements from external tools, Excel, Word, Jira, or other ALM tools. 2. Establish traceability links. Use Coware Omnibus integration to link requirements with test cases, design artifacts, and development tasks. Create bidirectional traceability between business requirements, functional requirements, test cases, defects, user stories, tasks. Maintain version history to track changes and their impact. 3. Configure baselines and change management. Establish baselines for requirement versions. Enable change control workflows to ensure proper approvals before modifications. Use impact analysis to assess changes in requirements and their effects on linked artifacts. 4. Perform requirement reviews and approvals. Assign stakeholders for review and approval workflows. Utilize Coware's collaborative workspace for discussions and real-time feedback. Track approvals and maintain an audit trail for compliance. 5. Monitor traceability and compliance. Generate traceability reports to ensure all requirements are covered by test cases and development tasks. Use gap analysis to identify missing links or unaddressed requirements. Maintain compliance adherence with industry standards, ISO, CMMI, FDA, etc. 6. Automate testing and defect tracking. Link test cases to requirements and execute test runs directly within Coware ALM. Capture test results and defects, ensuring full traceability back to requirements. Automate defect tracking using integrations with Jira, Selenium, HP ALM, etc. 7. Generate reports and dashboards. Use customizable dashboards to track requirement status, coverage, and traceability. Generate real-time reports on requirement changes, approval statuses, and impact analysis. Share reports with stakeholders for better decision-making. 8. Integrate with other tools, Coware Omnibus. Seamlessly integrate with Agile, DevOps, and testing tools. Maintain cross-tool traceability to unify requirement tracking across different platforms. How does Coware ALM support Agile and DevOps workflows? Coware ALM, Application Lifecycle Management, supports Agile and DevOps workflows by providing an integrated, end-to-end platform that enhances collaboration, automation, and traceability across the software development lifecycle. Here's how it facilitates Agile and DevOps. 1. Agile Workflow Support. Agile Planning and Execution. Coware ALM provides tools for backlog management, sprint planning, task tracking, and release management. Collaboration and visibility. Real-time dashboards, Kanban boards, and reporting tools ensure transparency across teams. Requirements traceability establishes end-to-end traceability from requirements to development, testing, and deployment. Change and version control manages evolving requirements and code changes efficiently. Integration with Agile tools supports integration with Jira, Rally, and other Agile tools to sync user stories and tasks. 2. DevOps Workflow Support. CI/CD pipeline automation. integrates with Jenkins, Git, Azure DevOps, and other tools to automate build, test, and deployment processes. Automated testing and quality assurance supports automated and manual testing, defect tracking, and test case management. Release management streamlines releases with automated workflows and approvals. Real-time monitoring and feedback offers insights into build failures, deployment success rates, and production issues. Security and compliance ensures governance and compliance tracking throughout the DevOps pipeline. 3. Integration Hub for DevOps and Agile. Omnibus Integration Platform. Coware provides an ESB-based integration hub that connects tools across Agile and DevOps ecosystems, ensuring seamless data flow. Cross-tool collaboration enables different teams, developers, testers, operations to work with their preferred tools while maintaining centralized traceability. How to integrate Coware ALM with other development and testing tools. Integrating Coware ALM with other development and testing tools can streamline software development, improve collaboration, and enhance traceability across the software lifecycle. Coware offers an omnibus integration platform which supports bidirectional integrations with a variety of development, testing, and DevOps tools. Steps to integrate Coware ALM with other tools. 1. Identify integration requirements. Determine which tools you need to integrate, example Jira, Jenkins, Selenium, ServiceNow, Azure DevOps, etc. Define the data flow between Coware ALM and the other tools, example defect synchronization, test case management. 2. Utilize Coware Omnibus Integration Platform. Coware Omnibus acts as an ESB, enterprise service bus, and allows smooth integration with 100+ tools. It ensures real-time synchronization and data exchange without custom coding. 3. Configure connectors for each tool. Coware provides pre-built connectors for various tools. Install and configure the connectors for both Coware ALM and the target tools. Example: if integrating with Jira, use the Coware Jira connector to sync defects, user stories, and test cases. If integrating with Jenkins, enable Coware's Jenkins connector to fetch build results. 4. Define data mapping and transformation rules. Map fields between Coware ALM and the other tool, example map defect ID in Coware with bug ID in Jira. Set up business rules to transform data if needed, example priority levels may differ between tools. 5. Set up automation and workflow synchronization. Configure Coware ALM workflows to trigger automated actions in other tools. Example: a new requirement in Coware can automatically create a user story in Azure DevOps. A failed Selenium test case can generate a defect in Coware ALM. 6. Enable real-time data exchange and notifications. Coware ALM supports real-time bidirectional synchronization. Enable email or webhook-based notifications for status updates and alerts. 7. Perform testing and validation. Test the integration to ensure data consistency and accuracy. Validate that updates in one tool reflect in Coware ALM and vice versa. 8. Monitor and maintain the integration. Use Coware's monitoring dashboard to track integration performance. Adjust workflows and mappings as per evolving project requirements. What are the best practices for test management in Coware ALM? Coware ALM, Application Lifecycle Management, provides a comprehensive test management framework that integrates with various development and QA tools. Here are the best practices for efficient test management in Coware ALM. 1. Test planning and organization. Define clear test objectives, establish the scope, objectives, and strategy for testing. Organize test artifacts. Use Coware's centralized repository to structure test cases, test suites, and test plans efficiently. Traceability management. Link requirements, test cases, and defects to ensure full traceability and impact analysis. 2. Requirement-driven testing. Requirement Traceability Matrix (RTM). Establish a strong RTM within Coware ALM to ensure test cases align with business requirements. Change Impact Analysis. Use Coware's Impact Analysis feature to track requirement changes and update test cases accordingly. 3. Test Case Design and Management. Standardized test case creation. Follow a structured format for defining test steps, expected results, and preconditions. Parameterization. Use parameterized test cases to increase reusability and test coverage. Test case versioning. Maintain test case history and versions to track modifications over time. 4. Automated and manual testing integration. Leverage Coware's Integration Hub. Connect with automation tools like Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, and UFT. Automated test execution. Schedule and execute test cases automatically and link results back to Coware ALM. Manage manual testing effectively. Assign test cases to testers, track execution status, and log defects efficiently. 5. Defect management and reporting. Centralized defect tracking. Use Coware's defect management module to log, track, and resolve issues efficiently. Defect workflow automation. Configure automated workflows to ensure defects move through resolution stages efficiently. Real-time analytics and dashboards. Leverage built-in reports, graphs, and KPIs to monitor test execution and defect trends. 6. Continuous integration and DevOps alignment. CI/CD pipeline integration. Connect Coware ALM with Jenkins, Git, or other DevOps tools for automated testing in CI/CD. Shift-left testing. Integrate testing early in the development cycle to identify defects sooner. Agile and DevOps support. Use Coware's Agile capabilities to manage sprints, test cycles, and rapid releases. 7. Collaboration and communication. Cross-team collaboration. Enable real-time collaboration between developers, testers, and business analysts. Email notifications and alerts. Configure notifications for test execution, defect resolution, and requirement changes. Audit trails and compliance. Maintain an audit log of test activities for regulatory compliance. 8. Performance and scalability. Optimize test execution. Run tests in parallel and use cloud-based execution to improve efficiency. Scalability. Coware supports enterprise-scale test management for large teams and complex projects. Why choose Pro Excellency for Coware ALM online training? ProExcellency is a reputable provider of online professional training, offering a range of courses designed to enhance skills and knowledge in various domains. While specific details about their Cover ALM, Application Lifecycle Management, training program are not explicitly available in the provided sources, several factors make ProExcellency a compelling choice for such training. 1. Positive client testimonials. Clients have praised ProExcellency for their dedication and quality of work. One client noted, "Their dedication towards the work has been great. The quality of work and their concern for continuous development has paved the way for having them as our technology partner." Another mentioned, "Our experience with ProExcellency has been really positive. The quality of work and coding has been very high." ProExcellency.com 2. Diverse training portfolio. ProExcellency offers a wide array of training programs, including SAP Ariba, SAP Trademark S/4HANA EWM, Viva CRM, Kinaxis Rapid Response, Blue Yonder WMS, Salesforce, Manhattan WMS, and InfoBurst. This diversity indicates their capability to deliver comprehensive training across various platforms. ProExcellency.com 3. Positive reviews. On platforms like Proven Expert, ProExcellency has received excellent ratings. One review highlighted, "ProExcellency is very good for supply management training, highly recommended." ProvenExpert.com 4. Experienced trainers. ProExcellency's trainers are described as highly experienced, with over 10 years of expertise in their respective fields. For instance, in their SAP S/4HANA ST training, trainers have been commended for their extensive knowledge and effective teaching methods. ProExcellency.com While specific information about the Cover ALM training program is limited, ProExcellency's overall reputation, diverse course offerings, positive client feedback, and experienced trainers suggest that they are well equipped to provide quality training in this area. Thank you.